Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a sound in platformer game. Friends, it's very easy to add a sound in GDevelop software. GDevelop software is a free software. You can download this GDevelop software on Google. Friends, if you don't know how to make a platformer game on GDevelop software, then just go to this video description box below and there you can get playlist link on platformer game. Okay, so let's start the video. Friends, if you are new on my channel, then please support me by hitting the like button below and subscribing. Go to events. Here you can see when player is in collision with coin, then sound will be play. Click on add action, other actions, audio, and play a sound. And click on pickup or coin. And change its name, coin sound. Click on save. Okay, click on OK. And now I'm gonna to add a sound for enemy. When player is in collision with enemy group and player is falling, then sound will be play. Click on add action, other actions, audio, play a sound. I don't have a sound, then I will create a new sound. Click on jump. And type here sound name, jump sound. Click on save. Click on OK. When player is in collision with enemy group and when player is on floor, then here hurt sound will be play. Click on add action, other actions, and type your sound name, hit sound. Click on save. Click on OK. Okay, so now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. When player is collision with coin, then sound is playing. And when player is collision with enemy, then hurt sound is playing. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.